Hey there, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Drip. Yeah, man. Hey there, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Drip. Not saying. Okay, then back with another video. Today we're gonna be giving myself a haircut. So, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into the video. Alright, y'all. So I'm just showing y'all how it looked before. You feel me? Right here I got the bag. You know what's in the bag. Know what's in the bag. We finna pull them guys out. We got the Andy's T Outliner Pros. You feel me? You need them as a barber. And then we got some regular, I think, Con Air to like fade with. The T Outliner Pros is to, you know, if you're a barber, you know, that's how to get you right. Bye. Facts. Alright, but we just checking them guys out, pulling them out. So this what they look like. I think my mama bought me them, so we gon' pull out the T-liners. You know they $100 and some, bro. They'll get you right, bruh. I'ma need later we gon' modify them, cause they get hot pretty quick, and you gotta oil them up, keep them from getting hot. Okay, so I set up everything I needed, and we're gonna start off with the T Outliner Pros. So what you do is you just set up a guideline, and a guideline is the first thing you do every time. So you just chop off the bottom part if you're doing a fade. If you're doing a fade, start with the T Outliner Pros, cause they the sharpest, they cut the best, and everything else is for fading. We're gonna speed this part up. So right here we switched the we actually switched the camera around so y'all can see a little better. And then I think we're gonna switch the camera again later on to the mirror. So don't get too comfortable, you know what I'm saying. Right, we're gonna speed it up. Right here we still setting up the guidelines. Alright, right here we done set the camera up again, a different angle, and we finna start with no guard. Right here what we doing is picking up just find the smallest number. It got the numbers written on it. Just find the smallest number guard and put it on there. After that you start on your your second guideline. So you go up about a half an inch each time, and this me going up about a half an inch. Katie. Alright, so you find the next smallest guard and put it on there. Then go up another half an inch. Easy work. Alright, so now we back in and we find the biggest, well not the biggest, the next we find the next one that's in the middle. I just find I don't know how to explain this. Find the next one, that the one that's bigger. You know what I'm talking about, bro. I find that, and then we get to the next part, which is another inch. So we just keep going up every time an inch. I don't know how to explain it, Joe. Alright, so we popping on the last guard, just to like trim the bulk at the top of your shit. So like we find the next big guard, I guess you can call it that, and then we just go to trimming that bulk at the bulk on the side right there. So that's why I'm pulling my hair up right there. We trimming that part. Alright, so now for this part, I'm finna trim my edge up, my line up. So we brushing her hair down, like make sure it's on point, you feel me? You don't want to be cutting stuff that you don't need to cut. See what I'm saying? So we just brushing it down to get it all right. I also stop to like twist my hair up a little bit more, but that don't matter if you ain't got dreads and stuff. But we finna go ahead, and you can hardly see it, but we shaping up the hairline, get it crispy. Y'all might not have to do this, or you might not want to try it, but that's just how it go. So you getting rid of all the bulk around the line up and the fade. Alright, so the next thing you do is you get rid of it should be a line or a few lines. You just go back over them with the guard open, and then with the guard closed, and then get rid of them lines that you see. You should see some lines, so get rid of them guys with the guards open. Like do all the steps over, and then just use the guard open. Which when the guard is open, that means it's like the lever is like up. Right here, I'm like debulking my mustache and stuff. Finna get ready to trim my mustache, line it up and stuff, and get rid of all that beard and stuff. Get rid of that. That shit be aggravating, but I don't know how the nigga with them big ass beards be doing that shit. Like food and stuff be getting all in, like, bruh, it be hair in your cup, all kind of shit, bruh. That shit crazy. I don't know how they do it. They probably just drink out a straw or something. But when you eating over stuff, I don't know how they do that. And then they be getting all of your beard. Your beard be sticky, mustache be sticky. That shit be nasty. Alright, so that's really it for the video. All we did after that was like trim it down, cut all the beard off. You feel me? So we done got right. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay then.